Ntombenhle nyathela ngabantwana indlula kundiza uthuli idla isineke sofuthu izwe liqhoshwa ukuhamba kwakhe iphethe ubukhosi ngezandla phawula ntombi yezizwe phawula Africa.
Hers is a story of a child born into wealth, one with a legacy that sees no end. The youngest in the homestead, the most energetic in the bunch. Africa is God's favorite child. Her enchanting beauty called for the attention of lovers and haters alike. Jealousy conceived in the hearts of some gave birth to evil dancing in the minds of the suitors. Africa was robbed of her inheritance.
Ngithwele inhlungu nobukhosi ndawonye.
Pain sits in her oversized heart. She quenches her thirst with blood from her internal wounds. Raped, battered, and bruised. Africa has born children who see themselves in separation.
Ndebe zezwe zidedelana ngelimi lokwebe emnothweni wempande yami.
The rivers of slavery have forced African sons to acquire skills that keep them afloat. Swimming against the current with death approaching has kept them alive to the threat that surrounds. Today, African sons breathe with ease at every turn.
Mina nginempande emaganjagaja. Isiphike esimabalabala. Esithi masigodeka kuvuka amandla. Buye mina uqobo lwami.
The daughters of Africa have never stopped praying. They sit at the top of the mountain, chanting affirming melodies to lure their brothers home, dancing themselves into a trance, stomping away at the remnants of colonialism.
Vuka nyana lithini ithongo Fakisa ngombongo sifuna wonke thina lo mongo hlahlela uhlaziye lo mbono uphuhlisa lo mbono vula namehlo nalukhanyo luza nesiphokazi luzele uviyokazi xa sisonke somela ngengoma siphila ngengoma nobaba bambuweke basigqebe ngophingo ngoma ngengoma siphile enyameni siphole engqondweni siphumule emphefumulweni dakuchola mtshana mezindongeni mtshana muboli icala dakufundisa impucuko nebuqi kaloku thina sizinjingalwazi zazi bani wayisazi kuba ufuna ubhukuqa umbuso kubudikwe kubusa simangana namhlanje sabuza about African spirituality moral philosophy white folks the more you delve deep into history your bone too was melanated by the darkness leprosy was a sickness melanin the first man African child your birth is cherished by nature share the fables to the fables of the universe even birds harmonize the hymn bees with bars pollinating on this flower this is our hour show some love and faith to the native tongue vogue garments culinary art across the Kalahari artifacts our cross to carry nizinkosikazi makhosikazi solawula kwakhona ayikhona umhlaba mawubuye we always comprehend the cosmic law as Europeans claim to discover LOL that's our inventory though lots of love to my African Solomon sages lots of love to my African Solomon sages
Ngethula ukuhlakani kunina. Sesambulelwa inhloso yobukho buka-Afrika. In me rises the spirit of Julius Nyerere Nkwama Nkrumah, Patrice Lumumba Thomas Sankara, Steve Biko O.R. Tambo. In me lies intelligence, integrated, dignified, without dictators. I am set aside, sanctified, knitted together for greatness. I am
Africa is not a damsel in distress waiting to be saved. She is not a slay queen in search of her blesser. This lady is no gold digger, no diamond prostitute. She is the womb that bears it all. Africa will not be dumbed down into disguised submission. I am Africa.
And when the lips are moved by grace, they so sweetly sing, pray for peace in Africa, from the loving God. Tell the
Likhulu